Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. Today, I'm going to be looking at foot injury compensation payouts and how much compensation you may be entitled to if you suffered a foot injury if you've been involved in an accident which was due to the negligence of others. And if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Whether you've sustained a foot injury at work or you're interested in crushed foot injury compensation and would like to know the average settlement for foot injury if you've been involved in an accident which wasn't your fault, which has resulted in an injury to your foot, you may be able to claim. If you'd like to know how much compensation for a foot injury you may be able to claim, I'd like to emphasise that the figures I'll shortly be going over are for your injuries alone and do not include any additional sums of compensation for things like loss of income because you've been forced to take time off work, or any other expenses related to the accident like care costs or travel costs. This means that your final claim amount is likely to be larger. But now let's take a look at our broken foot settlement amount injury table.
In front of us we have the table for foot injury compensation claim amounts, and for amputation of both feet you could expect to receive anything between £135,030 right the way up to £160,600. For amputation of one foot you could expect to receive anything between £66,930 right the way up to £87,410. For very severe injuries to the feet you could expect to receive anything between £66,930 right the way up to £87,410. For severe injury to the feet, you could expect to receive anything between £33,460 right the way up to £55,830. For serious injury to the feet, you could expect to receive anything between £19,920 right the way up to £31,250. For moderate injuries to the feet, you could expect to receive anything between £10,960 right the way up to £19,920. And then finally, modest injuries to the feet, you could expect to receive anything up to £10,960.
I'd like to once again emphasise that these figures are for your injuries only and do not include the compensation from any loss of income from time off work or any other expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the final compensation claim amount is likely to be larger. But in order to get a fuller idea of just how much compensation you may be entitled to, we recommend that you reach out to a personal injury claims specialist. Now, the good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk offers a completely free consultation where we'll talk through the accident with you to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us whenever you'd like, as we're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676, or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll be happy to use our personal injury calculator to give you a good idea of just how much you may be able to claim. Following this consultation, if we believe that we're able to assist you in bringing a claim, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. Now, what this means for you is that there won't be any upfront fees to worry about, and if your claim was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks.
Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same. And whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.